RKX pipe and the Afe air intake filter. So here's how it sounds, guys. I'm currently on 6th gear. I'm gonna drop it to 5 at 100 kilometers per hour, revving at approximately 2800. So here we go. There you have it, guys. You can hear it. On 5th gear, and drop it to 4th at approximately 3000 RPM, and we'll see how it sounds. All right, here we go, guys. Not bad, not too bad, guys. Significant difference from obviously stock. My car is completely stock, and I'd say from hearing the videos, the Rock Euro intake being 10 and obviously stock being 0, I'd probably say the Supercharger Whine is significant at I'd say maybe a 4, maybe a 5. And again, I'm coming from a stock S4 2013, so hopefully you guys enjoy that. I don't know, guys. I think this mod is completely worth it, in my opinion. Budget friendly, and you're still getting the somewhat of the performance out of it, and definitely getting that sound that you guys are all seeking. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the description down below what your guys' thoughts are on it, and what kind of mods you guys are looking to do, and some budget DIYs as well. Peace, guys.